Hello friends, welcome back to Chuang Math class. It is nice meeting you again. Recall that we had an introduction to fractions. Please, if you've not watched that video, do well to watch my introduction to fractions. I titled it Understanding Fractions. In that video, I also introduced improper and mixed number. But in this video, I want to throw more light on this improper and mixed number. Recall that fractions is usually less than 1, right? So fractions is usually part of 1, not full 1. Okay. Now, for example, let me use this orange. Now this is an orange. Okay, this is one full orange. Now let's say I decide to divide it exactly into 2 equal parts, right? This orange, one full orange, was divided into 2 equal parts. Okay. Now let's say I ate half of this part of the orange. What is the remaining part? The remaining part is half, right? Half of the full orange. This two here is telling me that one full orange was divided exactly into 2 equal parts. And this one here is telling me the part that remains, the part that I have. Okay, so this one in fraction, this part of this fraction is 1/2, as I said here. This type of fraction here is a proper fraction. Okay, this is a proper fraction. So a proper fraction has the denominator is greater than the numerator. Whenever you have a fraction that the numerator is less than the denominator, is a proper fraction. Now, fraction can also be greater than 1. Okay, now let me show you this example. Let's say here we have an orange, one full orange, and we have another full orange. Okay, now the same size. So here this orange is divided exactly into 2 equal parts. This one is also divided into 2 equal parts. Let's say this part of the orange was eaten. This part of the orange was eaten. Okay, now let me write this one in fraction. So this is 1/2. This is 2/2. Right? This is 3/2. So this fraction is what? 3/2. If you want to see it very well, let me see. Here is 1/2, right? 1/2. 1/2. This is half, and this is half, and this is half of the other orange. Okay. Now, 1/2 plus 1/2 of this orange plus 1/2 of this orange. Now let me add it. You see, if the denominator is the same, I say add the numerator. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This will give me 3/2. Okay, so this is 3/2. So this fraction is called what now? This fraction is an improper fraction. So this fraction. Let me write it. Okay, let me write it. This is improper fraction. So I hope you can understand it now. So improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so whenever you have a fraction that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, then it is an improper fraction. But let's see this same something that I'm doing here. Now here, this half and this half is gotten from this one, right? This is gotten from this one, and this one is a whole orange. It is a full orange, one orange. So this is one orange, one full orange plus half of the other orange. Okay, now you see this is the same thing. So one full orange plus half of the orange will give us one whole orange plus half. This is called, this fraction is called a mixed number. This is a mixed number. This is a mixed number. Why is it a mixed number? Because it has a whole number and a half, right? And a fraction. So this is a mixed number. Okay. I hope you can even see it. Now let's look at this example. Okay, now see here we're having these circles. These circles is divided into quarters. If I say quarters, means it's divided into 4 equal parts. So each of this part of this circle is 1/4. Is 1/4 each of these. So let's count how many quarters are we having on the board. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 quarters. So here we are having 9 quarters. Okay, so here we are having 4 quarters. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, right? But the whole of this quarter make up of one circle, one whole circle. So also here you see one whole, though we are having 4 quarters, but it's also one whole circle. Now plus 1/4, plus 1/4. Okay, so you see 1 plus 1, this is going to give us 2 whole circle plus what? 1/4. So this is a mixed number. Now from this example, you can see that 9/4 is the same thing as 2 whole number 1/4 quarters. Okay, so here 9/4 quarters, right, is the same thing as 2 whole number 1/4. So as I said, this is an improper fraction and this is a mixed number. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you like this, do well to share, follow, comment, and like. Thank you and God bless you.